they're usually pretty on time. Let's make sure everybody's here.
Hello and welcome to another video.
Today we are going to take you on a little journey to the Hanok village in, what city is it called again? Jeonju. So today we're going to take you along with us to see some cultural sites, some traditional meals, and just enjoy the winter scenery. Today was the first snowfall of the season.
Yes, so this was early winter or late fall, kind of in that in-between time.
So sit back, grab a cup of coffee, bundle up with your nearest blanket or fuzzy friend, and enjoy the video. Jeonju?
Jeonju. Oh, there's an artisan exhibition hall.
You can't go wrong. It's just the colors are so perfect right now.
I know. Everything's very vibrant. Definitely a mountain town. Never ending.
I love it.
Big sit. You're a big kid. You're sitting at the table. He wants to try everything, doesn't he? Well, if you saw this spread put in front of you, you'd want to try it too. He just sat there and chewed it forever.
I'll see them before they see me.
Why is that?
I'm good at spotting them.
Good at what I do.
I am.
Situational awareness.
Something like that.
Stress daddy. Become the stress.
Glass jar containing a royal baby's placenta in a billboard storage. Huh.
Interesting. Area is super pretty. Very peaceful.
Yeah, I like it. I like the little batching with bamboo.
Oh, muddy. When the Japanese invaded, there were only 4 copies of their history.
Yeah.
3 of the 4 were destroyed, except the one kept here. This is the only one that managed to make it out and save 200 years of history.
Wow. It's pretty impressive. Yeah, sure. I'll go check it out. I was gonna say let's go that way, but then everybody said
I had to put that up to keep the tree from falling.
somebody's awake.
Oh, hi, baby. Say hi.
Good things come
Yeah.
to those who wait.
Hi.
That's what they say. I've been waiting far too long for some
Now this is
good
the place to watch.
come my way. It's always one step forward, 2 steps back, but I won't let it get me down. 'Cause I'm still here and I know this year some good's gonna come around.
Especially if you're us and
Can't bring any food or drinks.
you can't.
Somewhere the sun
It all
is
turned into
shining.
a cafe.
Somewhere the day is new. There's a place where flowers bloom, where every bird is singing their tune. And someday, oh someday I'll be there.
So at this point of the video, there's this weird strobe effect that we were picking up on the GoPro. We're not too entirely sure why that was occurring. If anybody knows what causes that, or maybe what settings we need to change on the GoPro, if you could leave a comment for us, that would be super helpful, because we haven't really been able to figure that out.
TV station too. Okay, smash it
There's a
open.
place where skies are blue, where every hope and every dream comes true.
Is that good?
And someday, oh,
Thanks for coming along with us. We hope to see you more in the new year.
If you have any questions about what you saw in the video, please leave a comment for us down below. Or if you have any suggestions on what you would like to see around the nearby area, we'd also love to hear from you. Thanks again.
for some good to come my way, for some good to come my way. Oh, some good's gonna come my